It's your girl PlantMamaTee, aka T Blanco, and I'm back with another video. So this video, I did purchase a plant from Dade Plant Company, obviously in Miami, Florida. And so this is gonna be me unboxing it. I just got it from the UPS man. So let's just go ahead and open it up and see how it looks. So I already had kind of split it down the middle, and they packed it with these little cheese doodle looking things. They have this little plastic thing here, so I'm gonna try to cut that off. Look at that leaf! Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I'm back. So, I'm just gonna try. Okay, so it was like they used something like a zip tie to hold the planter to the box so it won't be you know, sliding all around the box through transit. But it's kind of hard to get it out. I might have to use some scissors. Alright, I got some scissors. So I'm gonna cut this. Oh, it's really hard to get this off. Okay. Honestly, at this point, I feel like I'm gonna need an electric saw. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. How can I get this off? Maybe if let me try this. I'm just gonna, I'll sweep that up. Oh, the leaves are just pouring out. Look at that. He's playing peekaboo. Okay, let me see. Can I maybe wiggle it from out of the zip tie? Yes, okay. Awesome. Look at it. I got a Monstera Peru. So Tuesday they had a flash sale on Instagram. I believe they have flash sales quite often because I see them a lot and I'm always on them to see what I want. But this Monstera Peru, it was $30 from them. And it's a 4-inch. I felt like I had to get it because I've been looking around at the prices of a Monstera Peru here locally in Richmond, and the ones that I saw, they were like $65 or $95 for a 6-inch pot, and I just felt like if I can get it cheaper, why not? So they wrap it in saran wrap. Just looking at the top, I can see it is sphagnum moss here. And of course, they wrap it in the saran wrap to keep the soil moist, trap the humidity in. Look at this. Look at this leaf. Look at the foliage. Look at the texture. And look at this new baby unfurling. Honestly, for $30, I feel like this is good. I really felt like this is a good price. And I saw a lot of people talking about getting these from Walmart for $40, for $45 or $50. Either way, and I think it was a 6-inch pot. And I've seen some people, but when I checked, they didn't have any. They were sold out. So I decided to give Dade Plant Company a try. I like to shop around with different plant stores anyway. The big box stores, they're pretty cool on a lot of the things that you will find as far as the rare plants. You'll find a lot of rare plants at the big box store for nowhere near the price that you will pay from like a plant collector or a nursery. So I say that they are good for that. But this is my newest baby of my rare plant collection. I don't know if I'm gonna put her in the living room or one of my bedrooms yet, because the lighting is pretty good in either room. My back room though has a south face. The back of my house is south facing, so most of my plants get the best light in the back room versus like I have a north facing in the front of my house obviously, and those plants catch the morning sun, which seems to be doing really good. But I use that room for my propagating because they're in bright indirect light all day long, and that spot has been working for them, so they're gonna stay there. But I think that this is a good plant. I would give them so far 5 stars just for the packaging alone. Like, if these were cheese doodles, I would be in love. Like, there's so many, and I like that. I've seen some people use bubble wrap as well, and they give you a thank you card, so that's cute. And I love the colors. Pink and green are actually my favorite colors. Rudeness. Anywho, I'm definitely going to take a picture and share my pictures on Instagram tagging Dade Plant Company. So if you were considering shopping with Dade Plant Company, I say give it a try, give it a go. I'm in love so far. I'll give you an update on my care and how this Monstera Peru has been working out for me. But until then, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.